I had the unfortunate experience of working with a DA who was very much indifferent. Now, this isn't always the case, but the DAs are overworked and have a lot of cases on their desk, and they need to get these cases off their desk. And one of the ways to eliminate a court trial or a jury trial would be a plea deal. Now, what is a plea deal? Now, a plea deal is also known as a plea bargain. Plea agreement is an arrangement between the prosecutor and defendant in a criminal case, not the victim, like I said. In a plea deal, the defendant agrees to plead guilty or no contest to certain charges in exchange for concessions from the prosecutor, such as a reduced sentence. What do you think could happen if your child's case is just a number in a pile, like I said before, or other cases, and you are not actively involved, in other words, the squeaky wheel? Yes, it is a way of closing a case without a lengthy trial. Victims' rights are on paper, but do not expect them to be a priority unless you push them. But to push them, you have to know them. Getting cases off the DA's desk is their priority. As a grieving mother who has tragically lost her child at the hands of a murderer, yes, a murderer. And by the way, this is not an accident, this is a crash. It's agonizing to witness the ongoing focus on the rights and fairness afforded to criminals within the justice system. At every turn, it seems like the spotlight shines on whether the drunk is being treated justly. It's disheartening to observe how plea bargains, which may result in reduced sentences or drop charges for the accused, can disregard the profound loss and suffering endured by those left behind us. There's a profound imbalance when the scales of justice seems to tilt in favor of those committed crimes, while innocent lives are cut short due to repeated leniency and misplaced sympathy. As a society, we must strive for a justice system that ensures fairness, ensuring that their voices are not lost amidst legal proceedings. We must insist that our justice system does its job, follows victims' rights, and enforces its rulings. My journey underscores the critical importance of advocacy, persistence, and the need for a legal system that better supports victims and their families, ensuring our rights are not sidelined by procedural bottlenecks or lack of empathy. Now let's unite to guide others through their darkest moments by sharing our stories. By doing so, we can empower those navigating this horrible legal system to pursue justice for their loved ones. Together, we can help others. Please share your stories and help other victims going through the worst time in their lives. Together, we can navigate this legal system. We're stronger together.